Guys, so today we'll be making a really cute girly deco mesh wreath for my cousin's baby shower. What you will need: a wreath ring, and this is just a 14-inch wreath ring that I purchased at Dollar Tree. You can, if you want a larger wreath, you can definitely go big or go home, or even if you want to do a smaller wreath. So it's completely up to you, but I will be using the 14-inch wreath ring. I also picked up this pink polka dot ribbon from Hobby Lobby. It's 1.5 inches in width, and I really wanted some that had like babies on it or said like it's a girl or something cute like that, but I was unable to find it. But if you prefer that and you have some ribbon that says like it's a girl or something cute like that, you can definitely use it. I have scissors and a rotary cutter and a cutting board. And then I have my Deco mesh, and this is 10-inch width Deco mesh, also from Hobby Lobby, that I purchased in pink, gray, and white, because that's the color scheme I want to stick with. Again, if it's a boy, just modify it accordingly. You can just do blue, gray, and white, or blue, green, and gray. Just have fun with it and do whatever you'd like. But these are the 3 colors that I have. And then a ton of just plain white Chanel stems. Again, you can use whatever color you'd like. If you want to add in your own little touches, like a little stuffed animal in the center, or if you have a cute sign that says it's a girl or congratulations or mommy to be, something cute like that, definitely do it. Or say the mother to be loves flamingos or something cute like that, then you can add in like little baby flamingos or anything like that. So just have fun with it, modify it to fit the person you're giving it to. All right, let's get started. So first thing I want to do is cut my deco mesh. My wreath ring has 6 sections. So I'm going to cut 10-inch long pieces, and I'm going to have 3 pieces in each bundle and 4 bundles in each of the 6 sections for a total of 24. You can definitely do 5 bundles in each section for a total of 30. It's completely up to you and how tight and how poofy you would like your wreath. This is so pretty, you guys. So sparkly and cute. I don't have my large cutting board with me. Pink, gray, and I'm lining them on top of each other like this so that I can just cut them all at once and save myself some time. Pink, gray, and white. I have all 3 lined on top of each other, and I'm just going to cut the 10-inch long pieces all at once. And this is just going to save you some time, especially if you're in a hurry. So again, you could definitely use scissors. I just use the rotary cutter because it just cuts smoother lines. There you go. And then set that to the side. Alright, so I have the deco mesh cut into 10-inch long pieces. Just like that. Now I'm going to take each of the 3 pieces, this has the pink, gray, and white, and I'm going to roll them separately and bundle them together and start preparing to place them on my wreath. Okay, so for each bundle, you will need a pink, a gray, a white, and a Chanel stem. That's it. So what I want to do, I want to separate each of the 3 pieces, and I'm going to roll them separately, just like that. Try to keep it nice and even. I'm just going to hold it in my fingers like that. Take the next piece, roll, just like that. And it will come loose a little. It's no big deal. If you want to make sure that it stays nice and tight, just roll it a little tighter. But it'll still look cute either way. And roll. And be careful. This deco mesh, it does stick to itself. Okay. So I have all three, and I'm just going to scrunch them together, just like that. And take my Chanel stem and twist it around, just like that. And I'm just going to twist it at the back. And then just modify it. You want it to stick up nice and tall so that the wreath is nice and poofy. Just like that. Alright, so once you have your bundles all together, and I like to prep all of my bundles first so that when I place it on the ring, I can just do it all at once. So I have all of my bundles. Just gonna pick a random bundle. And again, you're gonna take the two Chanel stems that are sticking downward and place it in between the inner two rings. If you can, just like that. And pull it. And then you're just going to twist it. Then adjust it. And you do the exact same thing with the next one. I'm going to try to alternate which colors I have, because I alternated the colors that I placed on top. So this one has pink on the top, this one has white on the top, and then I also have some that have gray on the top. So I just want to make sure I alternate those. So again, place it on the inner two rings. Inner two rings. Let me show you the bottom. You just pull it together and twist. Just like that. I'll show you again. Take your bundle, and again this one has gray on the top. Inner two rings. As you can see on the bottom, and twist. And with just 3 bundles, it's already starting to look so cute and poofy. I'm just like adjusting it a little as I go, but you'll be able to adjust it best when you have them all in place. But that's what it's looking like so far. So I'm going to continue placing, and I'm just going to use 4 bundles in each section. 4 bundles will be more than enough, because again, this is the longer deco mesh. But if you choose to use the shorter 6-inch deco mesh from Dollar Tree, then I would definitely say use 6 bundles for each section. But since this is 10-inch deco mesh, you can use fewer bundles because it's fuller. just adjusting it, fluffing it out, making sure nothing's missing. And as you know, I did have ribbon to add in, but honestly, I think this looks so cute and so poofy that I'm not gonna add the ribbon. It looks so cute, just like this. And so I ended up using 4 bundles in each of the 6 sections for a total of 24 bundles. So, and it made a huge and very poofy wreath. But if you want to try and stick in more, you can definitely do that and make it even poofier. But I think this looks so cute and adorable. And next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go to the back. And so this isn't chaotic like this. I'm just going to like, twist it down and connect all the Chanel stems together. That's what it looks like. Flip it back over to the front and make sure it's nice and poofy. And you do have the option of, you know, adding something to the center, like maybe a bear or an elephant, something cute like that, or even a little sign that says like it's a girl or congratulations, something like that. Or you can leave it just like this. I think this way looks so cute and adorable, so I think I'm gonna leave it like this, but again, modify it as you'd like. And it's quick, simple, easy to do, does not take a lot of time. Change up the colors, the style, just have fun.